Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to learn about CryptoPizza. CryptoPizza is an Ethereum game based using ERC-721 token. Now, before going to CryptoPizza, we first learn about what is dApps. When creating an Ethereum smart contract, it is useful to create a web application for users to interact with. We call this application dApps. These are web applications backed by Ethereum smart contracts. Instead of using centralized server or database, these applications rely on the blockchain as a backend for program, logic, and storage. However, there are some common features of dApps. First one is open source. That means ideally it should be governed by autonomy and all changes must be decided by the consensus or a majority. Now the second point is decentralized. That means all records of apps operation must be stored on a public and decentralized blockchain to avoid pitfalls of centralization. The third point here, validators of blockchain should be rewarded by the cryptographic token, and the process is called incentivized. And in the fourth one, protocol, that means the application community must agree on a cryptographic algorithm. Now, dApps typically use JavaScript convenience libraries that provide an API to make integration with the smart contracts easier for developer. The primary difference between Ethereum and any other cryptocurrency is that it is not just a currency, it's an environment. Here, anyone can take advantage of blockchain technology to build their own projects and dApps through smart contracts. Now, what is token? Ethereum tokens are simply a digital assets that are built on the top of the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. Now, there may be a question that if all these dApps are made in the Ethereum network, then why don't we simply use Ether to pay for every transaction within those dApps? The answer is simple. Even in real life, there are tons of places where we use this form of token over cash. Now, let me explain with an example. When we go to any activity park, then we took our money and give them to the authority, and they give us some coupons which we use to gain access to all the rides in the park and to buy food. In this example, the activity park is the dApp, our money is Ether, and the coupon is token. So token can serve many purposes such as stable coin, or to track a point system, or even to represent shares of voting rights over a project. So by representing things as tokens, we can allow smart contract to interact with them, exchange them, create or destroy them. Now, there are different types of tokens. So before understanding the non-fungibility, we need to understand what is fungibility. Okay. There are two main properties of fungibility. First one is interchangeability. That means you can interchange or replace units of a fungible asset. Suppose your $20 bill and my $20 bill represent the same thing, and this can be interchanged. Now another example, that 1 kg gold bar is equal to another 1 kg gold bar, so they represent the same value, and this can be interchanged. And the second property of fungibility is quantity. That means you can merge units of fungible assets to get a higher value in quantity. For example, you can add up multiple kgs of grains And now you have the same thing but in a higher quantity. Now the next thing is non-fungibility. This non-fungible token represents a unique token which can't be interchanged with another token. Now you can't divide or add up to get higher quantities because every unit is unique and you can't replace or interchange with other assets. For example, two pieces of land, they are both non-fungible regarding their locations. So fungible token where each individual token was interchangeable and indistinguishable from each other, and fungible tokens are particular type of token used when individual tokens must be unique and distinguishable from other. Now, while fungible tokens can be useful as currencies or shares of a company, non-fungible tokens can be used to represent ownership of real estate because no two houses are same, or collectibilities like digital art. So now, what is ERC 721 token standard? Here, it enables non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Just like ERC20 token standard helps it to create fungible tokens, the ERC 721 focuses on non-fungible asset design. Now, let me build a game called Crypto Pizza. It is a game built on the top of the ERC 721 standard for creating unique collectible tokens. The goal of Crypto Pizza project is create a unique collectible token and then write a smart contracts that conforms to a token standard, then import contracts and implement smart contract inheritance, and build a web application that interacts with your smart contract. For making Crypto Pizza, we need to use the Ethereum IDE. Now, if we are going to studioethereum.org, this type of page will open. So there are different project templates over here. So here we are using the Crypto Pizza NFT. Now click to the create project section. Okay, the project is created. Okay. So Ethereum Studio is a web-based IDE where you can write, deploy, or test smart contracts and build a front-end application to interact with them. Here on the left side of this IDE, you can find the Explorer panel, the folder icon. Here you can view the file structure of your project. So on the right side, this IDE, you can find the preview panel where you can view this project's application in the browser tab. Okay. So every smart contract run at an address on the Ethereum blockchain, you must compile and deploy a smart contract to an address before it can run. So here the smart contracts is written in cryptopizza.sol file. So the first thing we need to do, first we need to deploy our project. So go to the deploy section. It is the deploy is the rocket icon in the left panel. Now in the browser section, my CryptoPizza panel is coming. So this is my pizza. I need to create my pizza first. I am using the default account over here. In my default account, there is some unique address. Okay. So first, we need to create one pizza. First, I have to enter any name. Cheese pizza. And I am creating the pizza. Now creation is successful. Now, if you go to the inventory sections, in my inventory, one cheese pizza is created with its unique ID, right? So let's make another one. Creation successful. So if I go to inventory, then there is one cheese pizza and another veg pizza. So I'm again creating another pizza. Okay. So in the inventory sections, now 3 types of pizzas have been created with all different unique IDs. Okay. Now, when I create a crypto pizza, then in the backend, the create random pizza JavaScript function, which turn calls to the cryptopizza.solve function on the same name. The string the user sets in the form input fields is used in the generate random DNA, which in association with the sender's Ethereum address is used to create unique tokens. So these pizzas are actually tokens in this game. Okay. Now, in each pizza, there are 2 options. One is gift, another one is eat. If we click eat pizza, then in your inventory triggers the JavaScript to call the burn contract function, which actually destroy the token at the specific ID. So if we eat the pizza, now the pizza is gone. If I check the inventory, then only veg pizza and tomato pizzas are there. Okay. And the other option is gift pizza. That means by clicking the gift pizza button triggers the transfer from contract function, which transfer ownership of this token, actually pizza, to the address specified. Okay. So first I create another account. So here is another account, or I can create a new account by clicking to the copy address, the paper icon here. I can copy the address of this account. Okay. So I am copying the address. Now in the gift section, I paste this address. Okay. The pizza sent. If I check my inventory, then only one tomato pizza is there, because I have transferred the veg pizza to my account 2. Okay. So if I check the account 2, look here, my default account has been changed to account 2 here. And if I check the inventory section, in my inventory section, the veg pizza that I have transferred from my default account, this token has been transferred to this account 2, right? So here I am demonstrating one game that is based on ERC721 token, and it is non-fungible token. That means when I create pizza, each token that I am creating, it is unique, and we can transfer these unique tokens from one account to another. Okay.